Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn-Simplify. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to highlight current row and column in Excel. Let's dive right into it. Here is our data. In this data, if we click on this, we want to highlight this row and also the column on this side. The first thing we need to do is to highlight all our data, excluding the headings. So to do that, click on the first data. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow and right arrow while you are holding down the Shift and Control. This selects all our data. So let's go back to the top of the data. Since we have the data selected, go to Conditional Formatting under this tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rules. Under this New Rules, click on this last one. There is a formula that we're going to use. I'm going to put it in the description box below. Just copy and paste this formula and it will work for you. Once you paste the formula, we want to change the format of this. So click on the format. You can choose any color that you want. I'll choose this color and press OK. Press OK again. As we see right now, this highlights the row here and also the column here. The first step has been completed, but when we click outside of this doesn't really work for us. To achieve this, making sure every cell is active. So what we need to do is to write a simple Visual Basic code, and I will show you step by step. Go to the data, right click on this data here, click on View Code, and here you want to type Activecell.Calculate. And once you have this, minimize this, click anywhere inside the cell. You can see this is working perfectly as we can highlight any current cell in this. One other thing to pay attention to, if you click outside this, we are able to highlight the column that we are on this without highlighting the row. And when we click on the row above here, we can highlight the row as well without highlighting the column. But if you want to call someone's attention to particular data, you can click on that current cell and this is going to highlight it for you. So this is the easiest way to highlight the row and column. And what other thing can we do? What if we want to use the same worksheet that we are using to send to someone, but we don't want to highlight anything? We can easily build a toggle so that we can turn the highlight on and off as needed. Let me show you how to achieve that. So let's say we want to build the toggle here. Write toggle, and once you have toggle, we can actually write the data here, but to make sure our data is clean and our sheet is clean. So let me just open another sheet. In this sheet, I'm going to write turn on, turn off. Go back to our original data. In front of this, we want to be able to build this toggle to turn it on and off. Go to data. We want to click on data validation. Here, you want to select list. Where is our source coming from? So click on the source and go back to this second sheet. Click on turn on and turn off and press OK. Right now we can see turn on and turn off works here. But when we turn this on, our data is still working correctly. When we turn it off, our data is still working. We can still see the current highlight. So how do we incorporate this into this conditional formatting? So to do that, go back to conditional formatting, click on manage rules, double click on this formula that we have. We want to make sure we edit this formula to incorporate the toggle button in this. I will put this in the description box below as well instead of writing it all over. Right and open brackets. At the end of this, press comma. We want to select this toggle turn off equals to double column. Since we have turn off there, so we want to put the turn on, double column, and close this bracket. Press OK and OK. Now the toggle has been activated in our cell. The data is off and we don't really see anything here. When we go back to turn this on, so this works perfectly for us. So if we are sending it to anyone, we can turn it on and turn it off as needed without building a new worksheet or new Excel. This is easiest way to highlight the current row and column in Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like, subscribe and click the share button, and I'll see you in the next video.